Yeah, pushed the boat out. Oh, it's warm in here, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah, fine, fine. Why wouldn't I be?
Seem a bit anxious.
I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it.
What are you doing? No, get up.
Rainy Cross.
Stop it.
Will you marry me?
You an idiot.
I love you.
So?
So I want us to have a normal life. Safe. Like
Like what?
well, like Mick and Linda.
Like Mick and Linda?
Brainy!
What? Do you think I want a life like them, like Mick and Linda? What? You think I'm some kind of baby that needs looking after?
All right,
Are you out of your head?
I'm sorry, right? Clearly not the right decision.
You think so?
Yeah, can you just give me a hand, please? That ring cost me 200 quid.
200 quid? You're gonna have to do a lot better than that. You want to get it on my finger?
All right. Sorry, I get it. Wrong moment. Wrong moment. All right, but we can just take the ring back. Yeah? Can you just help me, please?